Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you write bold in Wattpad. So at the very first, just go to the Wattpad app. Now in the Wattpad app, just click on the bottom second last option, the pen icon. After clicking it, here you can see the middle option here is create a new story. Click on it. After clicking it, here you can see the very first thing here is add a cover, and then there is story title and story description. You can just give it or you can just skip it by clicking in the top right skip button. Now here you can see title your story part. Here you can just title your story part, and under here you can see you can just start writing here anything you want. Now just select a word that you want to bold, and after selecting it, here you can see a icon here in the middle. Click on it. After clicking it, here you can see the very first thing here is B, which is bold. Click on it, and here you can see the word is bold. So guys, that's how you can make bold word in Wattpad. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.